Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to restore or appeal for your suspended Instagram account. My channel was suspended a few days ago, and I appealed and it got restored. Here is a simple way you can do it, but it only when you can recover only your account in case there is system error. Then you can hopefully restore it. Inshallah, you will remove it. Inshallah, you will restore it. As you can see, my channel was suspended on 7th May 2025, and I appealed it. When I open my account, I got this message, and you have valid days before you can appeal it. Fill the captcha. And now click verify. And now you need to enter your mobile number to get a code. After that, please send code. You need to state your country code. Click the country code. I am in Pakistan, so I select Pakistan. Now enter your mobile number. Now click send code, and you get the code in your mobile number, given mobile number. Now that's the reject code. Send to your mobile number. Click next. So you submit it. And your channel removed. And so your channel has restored. My channel has restored. In this way you can click. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.